Rondo Capoeira. I think this one is the busiest, central business district in Poznan. In front of me is the Mercure Hotel, and yeah, many trams here. But today I'm gonna go to that Baltic building. I'll show you how to get there, and here is the situation. So we are going down because we cannot cross there by walk, so it's safest just go by here. So yeah, let's see. This one is during the morning rush hours. Okay, so let's see. I think that there are some offices also here in the building. You see, oh, this one is Xero, which means photocopy and printing office. Yeah. This one is connecting to the building. Right next to it will be Baltic building. Nice. That's also, I think, another business building. Machine. Okay, that's vending machine. Now we will go up past hours. Right. Now walking like this, I feel really like I'm in a big city life. Dzień dobry, good morning everybody. Just another day in Poznan, Poland, right? So now I am in the central business district area, and behind me is the Rondo Capoeira, and this one behind me is the Baltic building. But first of all, we will go to have a coffee and have a breakfast there. So basically this one is the direction. Paris in 1000 kilometers. So yes, Prague in 365, Budapest and Bucharest. So yeah, because Poland is basically in Central Europe, so wherever you go actually it's easier. That is the Mercure and another skyscrapers, Kamienica, and this one is another restaurant. I think this one is Sheraton Hotel, but first of all we will have a breakfast in this building, Baltic building. Let's go. Right, I'm starting my day with having a coffee in a Starbucks in a Baltic, and I don't know, I feel like I want to work editing my videos surrounded by the people, by the coffee shop, listening to the crowd of the people who's talking, working, having morning coffee. Cheers. I have a big cappuccino, so I order bagel and hot cappuccino. Big hot cappuccino is about 27 zloty. It's good price basically, and sitting and surrounding by the people, like I see people coming here to work on the laptop, business talk, meeting talk. I'm coming here watching surround while working. Plug behind me. So I'm editing my video using the Final Cut Pro. I'm also trying to editing my video project for my spa and massage business. So this is how it looks. I'm gonna take you to stroll around this Baltic building area. So this area is basically the central business district, so many offices and skyscrapers. Yesterday my video is also a business building. So here is another business building in Poznan. Yeah, I don't know how tall it is, the building basically. So on the base, the first floor, normally the coffee shop like this one, Starbucks, and that's also another coffee shop. It's called Karpichko, and I think second floor or third floor is the gym, and then that's the plane actually landing. And here in front of me there is also another restaurant. It's called Restaurasia Concordia Taste. And here I'll take you to stroll around. Yes, actually so many nice coffee shop here, and there on the left is the bank, and here is nice pillars. This one is the Sheraton Hotel. Yeah, so that's actually how it looks there in the front. If you see that that building over there, that is actually the Poznan main train station. So this place is actually centrally located. Yes, so here is the Sheraton Hotel. Yeah, so basically this is how it looks. It's time to go home. I need to go to the market to shop, and after that cooking because Damian is going home soon. I was there before in the Central Business District, and then I decided to go walking home and going to the market. So this one is how it looks. Day in my life. So many nice coffee shop and pastries. This one is the tram station, and yeah, and look at this kaminicha. It's so nice. I decided to walk because it's not that hot. Currently it's about 24 degrees. It's windy and breeze. It's nice weather. Keep walking, and that's in front of me a restaurant, and here in front of me is the Stare Zoo. You see that during the summer holidays there are so many family are going to the Stare Zoo in the park, so they have a nice playground there. Look at this, the children playground. So busy. It's summer holiday. Actually the traffic situation, that's the guys there to clean the road. And here's another kaminicha, and this also another kaminicha to be renovated. So now we are going to Rinekesicki over there. Look at this beautiful mural art, and that's the fruit market. And we are in the Kraspiego Street. So many restaurants here. Yes, check. That's the Korean restaurant, and here's the pizza restaurant, ice cream shop, and in front of me is the Swanty. Nice umbrella. It's so cute. I was there to buy a coffee. Nice. So if we walk further, we will go to Rinekesicki. So many spices. I will buy something, fruits or tomato. Now we are in the market. That's the fruit. Nice. So many fresh fruit. Nice. So I bought tomato, onion, and cucumber. Nice. And let's go somewhere. So many fresh products. I really like shopping here. This is what I told my friend always. I live close by the traditional market. So many nice products. Nice. I shop already. Nice. Nice flower shop, isn't it? Nice. Look at this, the building in front of me and the traditional market. It's nice. Look at this one. It's nice. This one, the traditional cloth of, I think the Polish one. And this is how the traditional market look. I love it. This is the best part of my daily life. Shopping. Nice. And this is how the traffic. You see? People crossing the street, you have to stop. This is the flower shop at the front. Right, so that was my shopping in the Rinek. This is a daily life of me. The name of daily life is just like this. Everywhere you go, for me it's enjoyable, it's nice. After we had a lunch together and we decided to have a coffee o'clock fika time, Kohanye. How is your day today?
All good, all good.
So coffee, cappuccino, sernik, cheesecake, and cinnamon roll. Assalamualaikum. You okay?
I'm just resting.
Kohanye,
Tak,
look at this.
This concept of American kitchen is actually cool, no? Not popular in Europe, but actually I like it.
Nice.
Nice. It's actually cool, Sam. You cook their dinner, lunch, and you just straightforward. I'm sitting here and watching how you are doing, and we eating.
Nice. Oh, look at this. This one nice design, Kohanye. Tak. We are in the restaurant, in the IKEA, right, Kohanye? And this is how it looks. This place is busy. Even in restaurant, many people are here. Kohanye, we almost every day coming here, no?
Tak, almost every day, yeah. I don't know, it's just nice.
Eh,
Nice fika.
are you okay? You stress?
Just little bit stressed.
You have many projects, tak?
Tak.
Many projects to do and many target.
Tak.
Welcome to the corporate world.
No, I'm not
do
working in the corporate stuff. It's family business.
And yes. So how do you feel?
But a lot of is going on.
I know. Are you gonna travel around Europe soon?
Tak.
Oh, nice.
End of August I'm gonna start traveling all
Nice.
until Christmas technically.
Decided to go to the Warta River and sit by the river actually to enjoying a beautiful sunset together and have our time. And this one is again looks like a container art by the river. Looks gonna be a beautiful sunset. So yeah, we're just gonna have a chill here and by the people. Kohanye, cheers. 0% alcohol, tak? And look at this around me. That's another club. I think once I was there. And you see people cycling. That's gonna be a beautiful sunset. That's the bridge. And you see that so many people are here. And that's the DJ. And it's another container art. And people are barbecuing. Nice.
Sayang, what you drinking? What are you doing?
This one is so good, strawberry flavor. I think I prefer this than this.
Really? Alright. Okay, but this one is lychee and leshu. But this one is hard, man. We're not promoting them, right? No. But look, nice place. More enjoyable than Bali, huh?
It's different vibe.
Different, isn't it?
And more enjoyable, I see. Even there is no beach in front of me, but the vibe, how people enjoy it, is nice.
nice.
Sunset as well.
Sunset's gonna be beautiful, isn't it?
Actually, this is how we spend our time. Yes, Kahanye, Damian is chill today. He's not driving Uber. And I said that you definitely need to enjoy your time with me. So yeah, I think that's all our video today. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye!